love and respect for their country. They will be full of energy and will be able to achieve their goals. They will bring revolution in the country. They will do proud to their motherland. They will transform the face and destiny of the country. That's why children should practice yoga. Elders should also practice. Each one of us should. All ailments may be eradicated just by yoga. It happens. It has happened. Initially, when we started saying this, people thought something must be happening. And now millions and millions of people have accepted yoga. Every day, at least over 50 million of our countrymen get up early in the morning at 5 o'clock and practice yoga. With the help of such people, we are creating an infrastructure of Patanjali Yogpeeth, under which free yoga centers would be started throughout the country by dedicated teachers. You just have to practice pranayam, then see the results. You yourself will become a proof of its benefits. After the Kapalabhati pranayam, you may practice. Do Bahya pranayam. After Kapalabhati, exhale your breath. You will keep your breath out. Then practice Tribandh. Children will be able to practice easily. Those suffering from heart problem and high BP should abstain. Patients of cervical pain should avoid Jalandhar Bandh. You have to exhale your breath and leave it out. Practice Bahya pranayam with Tribandh. Children can practice it easily. Take a deep breath. After exhaling, keep it out only. Practice it for 3 to 5 times. You can also practice Agnisar after this. Like this. Children are also able to practice Nauli Kriya very nicely. That we will teach you some other day. Now we shall practice Anulom Vilom. Practice it for 15 minutes, starting from 5 minutes. Kapalabhati and Anulom Vilom, these are the two main pranayams. And Brahmari pranayam is also very effective to improve the poor eyesight. So practice these pranayams, Bhastrika for 5 minutes, Kapalabhati for 5 to 15 minutes. Increase it gradually. Maya pranayam for 3 to 5 times, Anulom Vilom for 5 to 15 minutes. Then 5 times Brahmari, 5 times Udgit, breathing meditation with the sound of Omkar. Just practice these and you may experience major relief from all eye disorders. And you may be able to see properly with your eyes till the age of 100. Now practice Anulom Vilom. Inhale from the left nostril. Exhale from the right. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Fill your lungs completely till diaphragm. Your eyesight will improve. All the eye disorders such as night blindness, color blindness, It may subside, but you must use the eye drops and oral Ayurvedic medicines that I prescribed. Normally it takes 7 to 40 days. And in case of severe eye problems, it may take maximum 60 days for all the disorders to subside. Patients of night blindness may be able to see in the dark. And one may not have to get operated for retina cornea. Surgery can be avoided for retina or cornea. One may never feel the need to use any allopathic eye drops. You may never have to be injected with medicine directly to the nerves of your eyes for the disorders of the eyes. There is one more serious problem. In few patients, when they lower their eyelid, they are unable to lift them. And in some cases, maybe due to eye surgery, the eyeball does not move properly. So you must also practice this eye exercise. Move your eyeballs in a circle. Move in lower, upper, right and left direction. You must also practice this exercise of eyes, along with Anulom Vilom. Just practice for 15 minutes. Take a deep breath and exhale completely. Practice like this. Practice it for 15 minutes. Then Bhramari. It has many more benefits. It may enhance your memory, subside heart problems, improve your nervous system. You may never get a headache. All these ailments may subside with time. Place your forefinger on the forehead, rest 3 on your eyes. Ears closed with the thumb, generate sound of Omkar. This is Bhramari Pranayam. Practice this for 3 to 5 times. In case of severe eye disorder, you may practice it for 11 to 21 times. This gives amazing results. Your inner light may awaken. You may see the outer light as well. You may also receive the divine knowledge. Focus your mind on Ajna Chakra. Rest your forefinger on forehead and rest 3 on your eyes and thumb on your ears. Practice for 3 to 5, 11 or 21 times. Ears properly closed with thumbs. Press your eyes gently, very gently with your fingers. Forefinger resting on the forehead. Bhramari should be followed by Udgit. Hands in Dhyan Mudra while taking deep breath in. Pronounce Om with all your devotion and feelings. Once again, meditate on your breath with Om in mind. Now raise both your hands up, rub them together, and when you give the heat, the warmth of your palms to your eyes, by keeping palms on your eyes, that also helps improve your eyesight. Rub them nicely and keep your palms on your eyes like this. Then open your eyes still covered with palms. And after this step, you may remove your hands. This is also one of the methods to improve your eyesight. And When we clap our hands, this practice also helps improve eyesight. This is also beneficial. In asanas, you may practice Sarvangasana. Along with Sarvangasana, there are many other exercises that help improve the height, eyesight, and IQ of the children. We have prepared a special 1-hour program for children. Children with short height, suffering from severe eye disorders, may benefit to a great extent by watching that program. Children may learn different postures of Sarvangasana from the special episode that has been prepared specially for them. Each child has a potential to become a great human being, has potential to become the healthiest and happiest person on the earth. You can also benefit from today's program. It is a special program focusing on various disorders and ailments of the eye. It's a special yoga program. It may prove an eye-opener for you and other people of the country. Yoga is very powerful. It brings major relief. This message should reach everyone throughout the world, so that once again we are able to revive the culture of spirituality and brotherhood in this country and world at large. This only is the aim behind Yog Mission.
Precautions to be taken. In modern therapeutic science, there is no medicine which can without operation help you get rid of the specs. But this is possible with the help of pranayam, some home remedies and acupressure. There are many diabetics who were losing eyesight who have benefited from practice of pranayam. Pranayam not only helps you get rid of specs, it helps to remove wrinkles and blackness below the eyes. Along with pranayam, you must also practice Sarvangasana, Halasana, Paschimottanasana and Chakrasana. This not only helps improve children's eyesight, it also helps increase their height. Acupressure too helps in improving eyesight in a wonderful way. Every morning and evening, on an empty stomach, press specified points for 5 minutes every time. Remember, those who wear a tie regularly are likely to suffer from glaucoma the most. Drinking water at dawn, first thing in the morning, works like an elixir in many ailments. Drinking water in the morning is extremely beneficial for eyes. Do not let children watch television in excess and from close distance. They must never read a book lying down. You must eat a lot of green vegetables like bottle gourd, sponge, gourd, petal, etc. You must never eat hot and spicy food. Home remedies. Early morning, fill your mouth with water and then splash cool water into your eyes. Later on, spit out the water in your mouth. While taking a bath, fill your mouth with water in and submerge your face in a bucket full of fresh water. Then blink your eyes a few times. Both these exercises will help improve your eyesight in a few days. If you can manage to get Padma honey of Kashmir, then put it in your eyes the way you put kajal once every day. This may help cure most of eye problems. You drink juice of wheat seedlings regularly. Also take bottle gourd juice daily without fail. You can take 25 to 50 grams of wheat seedlings juice every day. If you take 1 spoonful of amla powder every morning, it will help improve your eyesight, and kids will never suffer from obesity if given this remedy. Obesity among children is fast becoming a common ailment. Those children who are reluctant to take amla powder, then give it to them after mixing it with honey. It not only helps your eyes problem, it keeps teeth strong and healthy. It has no side effects. In case a child has recurring eye problem or has weak eyesight, then put purified rose water drops in the eyes. Remove amla seeds and soak its pulp in 50 grams of rose water. Then take a thin cloth and filter it into a glass bottle and keep the remedy in a fridge. Put 2 drops of this in each eye at night. This will help get rid of redness and irritation in the eyes. It also helps those suffering from eye flu, those suffering from glaucoma or cataract, or those who simply want to get rid of their specs should take 10 mg of ginger juice, 10 mg of lemon juice, 10 mg of white onion juice and 50 mg of honey. You must extract ginger juice only after removing its jacket. In case you don't get white onion, use common onions juice. Always remember, water must not be allowed to touch any of these juices. Now put all of them in a glass bottle, put 2 drops in each eye. But be careful, those who have had an eye operation must not take these eye drops. Once ready, this home remedy for eyes can be kept in a fridge for 2 to 3 months before giving it to children. Mix it with rose water. Take a brass pot, clean it thoroughly with lemon and ash. Then put 400 grams of cow urine in it and let it simmer on low heat. While it's being heated, put 5 to 7 leaves of neem and 5 to 7 leaves of nirgundi in it. and when 100 grams of cow urine is left, then filter it. Now mix 4 grams of honey in it. It's ready to use. Put 1 drop in each eye. It helps in all eye-related problems. Ayurvedic remedies. Only on Ayurvedic practitioner's prescription. For serious eye problems like glaucoma, cataract, dry eyes, double vision, mix Amala ki Rasayan 200 grams, Saptamrit Lo 20 grams, Mukta Shukti 10 grams, Moti Pishti 5 grams together and give a dose of 2 grams to children and 5 grams each to adults with honey or fresh water on an empty stomach. Take Mahatrifla Ghrit 1 spoonful each in the morning and evening with milk. Grind Harad, Baheda and Amla into thick powder, thus preparing Trifla. Put 1 teaspoonful of this powder in a pot of water overnight. Next day filter this water and wash your eyes with it. Next day you can use same water, but on the third day put this powder in fresh water.